Thank you. Thank you for picking off that fuzz. Today, we are heading to the tire shop. We have put almost 39,000 miles on the tires on the truck finally. And it's time for some new ones because Jen and I are taking a long trip where, Jennifer? Alright, so let's show you the tires real quick. We're going to go to, where are we going, Jennifer?
We're going to the UP.
The UP, which is, if you don't know, in Michigan. And you know where we live? Where do we live? Utah. So it's a long drive, like what, 24 hours?
It's probably about 24 hours to get to Mackinac Island.
Yeah, she wants to go to Mackinac Island. I've been to islands. Some are okay, some are not. Mainly been to the UK. That's an island, right? Is that an island? Yes, it is an island. It's a big island, but it is an island. Anyway, let's show you the tires real quick. These have worn pretty well for as many miles as I have on them. And they're also mud terrains. So on Big Bertha, we've been running the Goodyear Fierce Attitude mud terrains in a 325, 65, 18. They're a load range E. They're a mud terrain tire. These tires work well in the mud, also slick rock, sand, on the road, gravel, and towing. We've been able to get about 40,000 miles on a set. The cost of these tires is about $1,100 installed locally. They were mounted and balanced for $1,100. These Fierce Attitude mud terrains feature rim protector to protect your wheels from getting hit off-road. They also have nice shoulder lugs for extra traction, and they are a mud terrain, which will give you good traction in most situations. So these are the Fierce Attitude MTs in a 325, 65, 18. So here's the front tire. We haven't quite made it down to the tread bar yet to show you need to change the tires. So the outers are starting to wear quite a bit here. The inner's still doing pretty good. Maybe I run underinflated, I'm not sure, but it's worn really well. This is one of the back tires here, and they're starting to get, they're actually pretty even across here, so not too bad. This other back tire is the one kind of getting, I guess my wife wanted me to shut that off. No more idling for me. That's illegal, I guess. This back one is getting just a little down further than the rest, which is weird. I'm not really sure why. You can see here that I'm starting to get some cracks in the tread, in the you know, up in there. I don't remember what that's called. I think it's called the tread. And then I had a sidewall crack starting in one of these tires, and then this front one, which is usual with Rams, even if you do have everything like aligned and checked out, it seems like it's cupping on the outside, which is kind of normal. But you can see we beat the crap out of these tires off-road. We've done a lot of miles with these off-road, and they have done really well. So pretty happy with those. Let's see if I can find that crack in the sidewall. Let's see. I'm not seeing it on that tire. I don't remember which one it was, but that's one of the main reasons I was going to get rid of them, even though we still got some tread left. It is middle of September. It'll be snowing soon in the mountains, so might as well just put some new tires on it. So I would rate these tires as freaking awesome. For as much airing down as we have done with the tires, and as much off-road abuse that we have given them, and highway miles, and just around town beating and towing, and everything else we do with the truck, these tires have done really well. So I think it's time that we send them off in a very special fashion. What do you think, Jennifer? All right, we shall do that now. All right, we gotta get out of here before the cops come up and get me for reckless driving next. Hurry, hurry! Ah! Okay, slow it down, calm down. We're okay. No cops yet. I guess in about 5 minutes I'll probably be pulled over though. And on a side note, we transported ourselves to Mexico for that. Don't ever do that in the United States. They get very upset. And now we're back from Mexico, so time to take it to the tire shop for some new ones. Oh, and just to update, we are going back with the same size tire and same brand and model, make and model of the same tire. They worked good, so why not, right? She says a thumbs up. Okay. Goodbye.